Okay, welcome back. This is video number 2, which is the first part of us creating a brand new dashboard from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. Don't need this anymore. And I should have just pushed new there. Anyway, here we go. Okay, first things first, what we want to do is clear all these grid lines away, so they look a bit ugly. So I'm going to go to View, click on Grid Lines right there. That gives a nice clean background backdrop. And then we're going to start with the navigation bar. To do that, we're going to go to Insert, Shapes, and then choose the rounded rectangle. Okay, and we're just going to roughly put this into place where it needs to be. Bring up to, I think it was just halfway past S there. That's a bit too far. Bring it back slightly. Yeah, that'll do for now. And what we want to do is, when you create the shape, you want to make sure that the top of the cell below it doesn't protrude over the shape like it does there. So I can actually just make this a bit smaller because it's slightly too big. There we go. And if you click on row 6, or whichever row is below your shape, then go to View, Freeze Panes, and that will keep it where it is whenever you scroll up or down. Okay. Next thing, right click on the shape, go to Format Shape, take out the fill, and make the line colour to be whatever colour scheme you're going for. I'm going to stick with a black and white theme, so I think it looks pretty good. Then we're going to insert another shape, so Insert Shapes, and this one is called Rounded Same Side Corner Rectangle, and it's on the 4th row down, I believe. Let me just double check that. 3rd row down. Okay. Once we've got that shape, what we need to do is grab where the edge is curvy. See the top right here, it's curvy. We need to grab this little yellow diamond and just drag it in as far as it'll go, and then we want to spin the shape around. Okay, and we're going to go to Format. Once you've selected the shape, go to Format. Scroll down on the shape styles, and there's a nice little shiny black one there. That's the one I use for the bottom of this. Okay, so what we want to do is just shrink this down. It's a bit too big. Get it into the edge there, and stretch it across. You may need to play about getting this exactly right. It's a bit too high. It's a bit too low. There we go. That'll do. So that's about where I want it. Now what I'm going to do, paste in my Eon logo, which I've got. Just shrink that down in size a bit. It's a bit too big. Or whatever logo you're going to use. Obviously you're not going to be using Eons. Now we need to create the different tabs that go across here. So to do that, we're going to use more shapes, Insert, Shape, Rectangle, and get a decent size, not too big, not too small, and start to type in all the different tabs that you're going to be using. So I'm just going to put that there. What I'm going to do is right click, Format Shape, and I'm going to remove the fill and the line, so it's just text, it's just pure text. And the reason we're not typing text into this bar is because we need to use these as hyperlinks, so we need to be individual shapes on our own. Okay, now we've done that, I'm going to copy that and paste it 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. I'm just going to rename them what they need to be. So you're going to be data inputs. You're going to be gas. I'm not going to call it gas information, or kind of a bit of a silly name. I mean electric. Okay, once you've done that, if you select a shape, and then when you move over the edge, you notice you get like this kind of I don't know what even that's called, but it looks like that. Click again and it selects the entire shape. Now you hold Control and just select each of the texts, and what we want to do is we want to align them at the align top. That will bring them all up in line, and then align distribute horizontally, and that will even them all out. Now the reason I've copied the shape and I've not put 4 separate shapes in is because I wanted the boxes to stay exactly the same size, so when I came to it, distributing it out evenly, it looks right. Okay, one more thing we need to do is we need to select all the shapes together, so same again, including this bottom bar and the first shape that we put down. Then you need to go on your format menu, click on size, then go to properties and select don't move or size with cells. Now if you're in Excel 2010 you can actually right click and do the properties through the format shape menu. There's a properties tab on there. But if you're in 2007 you've got to do it the way I just did. And we also need to do it for the shape as well, sorry, for the picture. You can't do pictures and shapes together, so click on that, go to format, size, properties. That's already done with the size of cells. Cool, so that's it. So now if I attempt to stretch cells out, it stays as it is. So yeah, that's how we do that. And what we're going to do is we are going to copy this, so right click on the tab, go to move or copy, create a copy, move it to the end if you wish, and OK. I'm just going to delete sheet 2 so we don't need that. And what we're going to do, copy that twice more. And there we go, that's our tabs. We just need to rename these now, so you're going to be data inputs, you're going to be gas, and you're going to be electricity. Okay, so that is the first part of creating this dashboard. We've done the header bar, we've got these tabs in, and now they're all, whenever you move across between the different tabs, everything stays exactly where it should do. Okay, now what we need to do is add the hyperlinks to move from page to page, and to do that, the one which you're currently on, so at the moment I'm on the summary tab, I'm going to highlight this, make it red and make it bold as well, and then I'm going to right click on the other ones and I'm going to go to hyperlink, and when it says link to, we want to select page in this document and then find the corresponding one. So I've selected the data input shape and I want to take it to the data input sheet, so I click on data input on OK. So now when we click on it, it takes it across to that one. Okay, and we basically do the same for the gas. Right click, hyperlink, place it with this document excuse me, into gas. Okay, electric, hyperlink, electricity. There we go. So now whenever we click on these it takes us away, but we've got to do that for the rest of the tabs. So data input, you're going to be the one which is selected this time. So this one, hyperlink, you're going to go back to summary. Hyperlink, you're going to go to gas. Electricity, hyperlink to electricity. Okay, 2 more to do. You can see what I'm doing. I'll just keep doing this. Data input. Why do I keep doing that? God damn it. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? Okay, and that's it. That should all be done now. So whenever I click on one of these, it'll take me to the tab, and it'll be highlighted, and they're all working. Cool. So I think I'll leave that video there. I'm coming up to my limit now. Join us in the next one where we are going to start to put the data in order to build the rest of the dashboard on. Okay, hope to see you then.